Hello everyone, my name is Amna. Today my topic is my daily routine. So let's start. I am a student. My daily life is very simple. I get up early in the morning. I wash my hand and face, then I go out for a walk. I walk for a half an hour. The morning walk refreshes me. I come back and take my breakfast. I eat an egg and drink a cup of tea. Then I sit down to prepare my homework. I read for 2 hours. After finishing my study, I wash my hands and take my food. I put on my school dress and go to school. I reach school punctually. I like to sit on the first bench. I attend school regularly. I am very attentive in the class. I listen carefully to what the teachers say. There are some naughty students in my class. I do not like them. After the fourth period, we have a recess for half an hour. After recess, I go to the reading room and read book or a magazine. I do not like to waste my time. This is my daily life. I try to utilize every day. Thank you for watching for this video.